Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I want to look at the phrasal verb to latch on or to latch onto. So the first thing we need to think about is, what is a latch? Okay, a latch is a fastening for a door or a gate. It's like a metal bar with a lever to lift it up and something here to hold it in place. Okay, so it's a fixing for a door to keep it shut but not locked. And that's a latch. I think also in the past you could have the phrase a latch of sausages. It's like a loop of sausages, but they don't use that phrase anymore. Okay, so to latch on or to latch onto is to attach yourself to something, to hold firmly or strongly. The newborn baby latched onto its mother's breast without any problem, and it didn't let go. He latched on to the group of singers and went around with them singing carols. Okay, so to attach yourself to something, to latch on or to latch onto a group. He latched on. He latched on to the group. Okay, we can also use latch onto to meaning to adopt and take up new ideas and accept them with enthusiasm, or to make a new friend and to latch on to them, to spend a lot of time with them, to become firmly attached to them. And sometimes we use this phrase latch on to imply that the person who has been adopted doesn't really want this other person as a friend. My little brother's always wanting to latch on when I go out in the evening, and he's a real pain. Okay, that's the idea. Let's see, we also use to latch on, and this is very common, meaning to understand, to get the grasp of something, usually despite initial difficulties. To start with, he didn't get the joke, but finally he latched on. It took me a while to latch on to the technique of my new job. Okay, to make sense of, to become accustomed to doing it, and to know the ins and outs, to know how you're going to do it. Okay, so to latch on or to latch on to something. Speaking English can be difficult, and it can take quite a while to latch on. Maybe you hear a native speaking in a slightly strange accent, a Scottish accent, and it takes you some time to latch on, to latch onto his new accent, to make sense of it and understand it properly. Now, next question. How formal or informal is this phrasal verb to latch on? This is very informal. I would give to latch on a 3.5 informality. I think to understand or to comprehend or to join or attach strongly in a more formal framework. Yeah, latch on is fine in an informal conversation. Notice the word a latch, the closing for the door, this is neutral and you can use it anywhere because it's defining an object. Okay? So I sincerely hope you have latched on to the meaning of this phrasal verb. Notice with it, to latch on, intransitive, to latch onto it, inseparable. And as well, this verb to latch is regular. Latch, latched, latched. Okay, what about the origin of this word latch? Well, it comes from Old English, lekhan, meaning to seize, to grab, to take. And I guess that really does fit with the ideas for the modern meaning. So, a latch, something to shut a door. To latch onto, to attach strongly. Or to understand, to comprehend something new, particularly when you have difficulties at the beginning. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Latch on, latch onto.